my trusty steed for the day. She's pretty. I'ma call her Lady of the Wall. Got my ticket. We're doing the Xian City Wall bicycle tour today. Super stoked. One thing that's still left on my bucket list before we leave the city. Yeah, I think it's something interesting, something a little bit different. Don't get it twisted with the Great Wall. It's not as the city's wall. Also, more history on the wall later. But for now, ticket checked. Getting here was a bit of a mission. So far, we're actually having great weather. Compared to previous days in the city, it's been cold, rainy. It just hasn't been nice for exploring and getting lost and doing some fun activities. But today, so far, it's actually a beautiful day. So far, good sunshine, not too hot, not too cold, just enough for a t-shirt. Don't need the hoodie, don't need a jacket. I'm stoked for this day. Let's go. Well, if you insist, that way it is. So because, oh god, that's terrible exposure. Let's try that again. There we go. So because the wall is 10.4 Ks, it's 45 yen, then you can hire a bicycle. And that is what we did. Why does this excite me so much? I was a little bit overexposed, but I don't care. It's a bicycle on a wall. When last did you ride a bicycle on a wall? I'm riding a bicycle on a wall in China. My trusty steed for the day. She's pretty. I'ma call her Lady of the Wall. Couldn't think of anything else. She needs a name. LaQuisha. Her name is LaQuisha. Can't be a guy, it has to be a girl. LaQuisha it is. She's just blue. Okay. One-handed. It's gonna be fun. Yep. Nailed it. Yeah. Why is this so much fun? It's not really my type size of bicycle, but it's a little bit small. And also, the seat's a bit skewed, sliding a bit forward, but lean back. Lean back. Also, you can't help it driving fast. Why are we riding this fast? Also, I'm doing it one-handed. The one thing I can say about this country though is how well they preserve their history and their cultural parks. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's well maintained. They make an effort to preserve it. Everything is clean. They have strict rules about where you're allowed to do what and where you're allowed to ride your bicycle. And one thing that I've noticed, where I parked my bicycle, when I go back, it's still there. No one takes it, because I don't know. I feel like it's comfortable, it's safe, it's a safe place. Everyone's here for the same reason. Everyone's here to learn, educate themselves and explore and just understand and just try and understand a little bit more about the country, its people, its history. And there's something very comforting about that. There's something very comforting about this place. I don't know if it's strange or might be a little bit weird, but I mean, as much history as there is, you're not intimidated by it. I feel like there's a lot of stigmatisms around the country and the people in it, and so far I've experienced none of it. I really do love this city. Thank you, LaQuisha. You have been a trusty steed on this journey. Thanks. Oh. So that's it for the wall. Kind of lost the bicycles. We only had 3 hours on the bikes before we had to return them, and then you kind of pay in the difference for the amount of minutes that you go overtime. So we are at the North Wing. This is where we decided to end our trip because, not to be funny, it's kind of the same. The walls are square, or rectangle, my bad, rectangle. And all the corners are the same, center points are the same, archery towers are the same. Still cool though, don't get me wrong. But also hungry, very hungry, and we still have plans for tonight as well. Because it's our last night in Xian, I want to go explore a little bit on foot and just do a little bit more of the cityscape, because the one thing that I noticed in the city, it lights up beautifully, and I would like to try my best to capture some images of that. But that's the plan. Whether that's gonna happen, we'll find out. But so far, that's the plan. Food.